What's up, fans? So today I made slime, some clear slime, and I want to see what the results turn out like when I mix these these four colors together. Let me show you. So I've got this sparkly blue, and then these three are nail polished, some light pink, some like turquoise light, and some dark pink. So let's see what they turn out like. I'm going to grab one, and whichever one it is, that's which one I'm going to start with, and I'll keep going from there. Can you mix them up? You done? Okay, so I'm going to pick this one. Okay, so I'm going to start with the blue because that's which one I got. I'm scared. Okay, so I think that's enough on the blue. So now can you mix it up a little more because I'm done with this.
Okay.
Okay, so I got this one. Okay, I think that's enough on that one. So now we only have two more to go. I'm surprised I haven't gotten any pinks.
Okay.
I got this like pink. Okay, so let's add it in. And now we're gonna add in this one because it's the last one. So now it's time to mix it up. I'm really scared, but at the same time, excited. Oh, it's turning out cool. Got some on my fingers. I'll clean that up after the video. We just made this. And by that I mean I didn't help at all. Well, I did mix it, but seems like it's almost done, maybe. I may need to add a little bit more, but maybe a little bit more blue. Because there's barely any blue. But I like the color so far. I'm gonna add a little bit more blue. And by the way, these are not my sister's, they're mine. So I think this is the final results. They're really pretty. It's like a little color. It's not very stretchy, but it certainly is pretty.
It looks like marble.
Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, if I add like a little bit more of everything, I can like make swirls. I think I'll do that after the video because I planned on this to be a little bit short. Bye!